Hello everybody, my name is Martín San Román and welcome again to Window to the South. In this occasion we are going to do something very typical from a dish from Ireland, which are the clams, Baja California clams, as you can see here, cooked in a beer sauce, okay? So this is what we are going to do to start. I'm going to add some butter. When we add the butter, quickly I'm going to add the bacon, okay? So we put some bacon on it. We start to cook the bacon and I'm going to add the onions, white onions. So I'm going to let everything here kind of saute a little bit, okay? As you can see, some of the pieces of the bacon start to get crispy. And then after that, I will add the clams, maybe about a dozen of clams, fresh, they're closed. We are going to add the garlic, some chopped garlic, some green onions, and we are going to add some beer. We don't need to add any kind of salt because the clams are already salted, okay? Then after that, in the meantime, I'm going to add some heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. I'm going to mix it because the cream is going to help for the sauce, okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover them, increase the heat, and let the clams to be open, which it will take about 3 to 4 minutes, okay? As I say, this is a specialty dish that we do here at the restaurant El Original Pastel de Crepas, which we are located in the Zona Rio in Tijuana. But as well, I like to do some this kind of clams Irish style. So you can bring the camera. Let's take a look how it's here. You see everything start to boil. Clams actually start to open, okay? And like I said, I don't need to put any salt because I have the salt from the juice of the clams as well from salty from the bacon, okay? So everything cooked together about 4 minutes, and it's going to be an amazing dish that you can come and try every day here at Pastel de Crepas, okay? I'm going to reduce a little bit the heat and let's wait a little bit, okay? Okay, we have our clams plated. Then you just put some fresh lemon, and we're going to finish it with some garnish, something green, so make it looks beautiful. And now the most important thing about this incredible dish is the flavor of the sauce. It's amazing. Hope you can come and enjoy it here in Tijuana at the restaurant El Original Pastel de Crepas. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon again at Baja Window to the South.